Ajay has spent over 10 years working to improve the lives of orphaned and underprivileged children. Hailing from Pithoragarh, Uttarakhand, he has walked barefoot across India to raise awareness about child labor and begging. Despite his wealthy background and a degree in human resources, he chose to focus on helping others. In 2015, Ajay founded the Ghanashyam Oli Child Welfare Society to promote education and empower children. He visits remote areas, providing educational materials and raising awareness about the importance of education over labor and begging. He funds his efforts personally and has helped over 17,000 children across India. Ajay also created the Education on Wheels initiative, bringing mobile schools to underserved areas, and has partnered with institutions like RNS Vidya Niketan School in Hubli. His campaigns, including a 55-day walk covering 15 km daily, continue to make a significant impact on children's lives. Reportage by Kalmesh Mandyala.
Right now we are in the southern states of India, and presently we are in Karnataka, and Karnataka is one of the most amazing we can say state in terms of our journey education on wheels. It's a journey where we are adopting children's slums and many non-going school children for their better future, for their better education. We are walking nearly 14 to 15 kilometers daily. It's a barefoot walk against child labor and child begging to sensitize people against it. And it is like very wonderful experience in Vijayanagar, Hubli, and then Bengaluru, Udupi, and many other places in Karnataka. I also want to request you all that please join this particular campaign in which we are educating more than 17,000 children right now around the nation, and it's your time, it's our time to collaborate in terms of this thing. And till now we covered more than 1 lakh kilometers of journey in India, and we covered nearly 13 states of the country, and it was very wonderful experience with people, more than 4,50,000 youths around the nation, and more than 13,000 sessions against child labor and child begging. And now we are moving towards the we can say western part of India, that is Gujarat, and then Rajasthan, and then northern India. And you can also join us in this journey.